Your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
A lot to talk about. Let's get right to it. Outside right now, Skycam, no problems. Third Reserve cars moving better than they were when I tried to come to work today. It's still dry, a few snow showers and flurries, but this will be a much different look come tomorrow morning, and even a tougher look in the afternoon because there'll be no cars to see. You might not even be able to see the highway. That's how bad it's going to get. Temperatures really cold to the north, frigid stuff pouring south, and 30 is cold, but teens and single digits even colder, and that's headed our way. So the combination of cold temperatures, strong gusty winds, heavy snow, all barreling down on the region for tomorrow, and a blizzard warning has been issued. It was a watch at first. You know that after the watch is issued, it's going to get elevated, either a winter storm warning or a blizzard warning, and they've decided in the National Weather Service a blizzard warning is the way to go for Rhode Island, southeastern Mass. And yeah, when you got gusts up to 50, 60 miles an hour coming down with heavy snow, the combination of the two is going to reduce visibilities to near zero, and whiteout conditions are possible. Travel is not recommended and even not allowed for areas in Rhode Island between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. tomorrow. Blizzard warning. The criteria is not the snow piling up. It's just that combination of wind and snow, okay? So what it does is it drops the visibilities to less than a quarter of a mile for at least 3 hours. Sustained winds or frequent gusts of 35 or more. Thank you, Chelsea Priest, for making this graphic this morning. Blowing and drifting snow is a big-time problem. So it's not the snow accumulation. You could have a blizzard, technically, and have like 3 inches of snow. A couple years ago, I think it was 18, the last time we had a blizzard warning. Newport only had like 6 inches of snow, but there was blizzard conditions in Newport. So low pressure, this is going to bring the blizzard, and it's to our south, become a strong, potent area of low pressure, or nor'easters. It tracks the coast, takes on rapid development tonight, and then it literally just dumps snow. It just keeps on coming tomorrow. Snow heavy at times throughout the day. I think the snow from midnight tonight till about 9 or 10 a.m. is just snow. And then it really comes down during the day from 10 to about 4 p.m. The snow will have a fluffy consistency to it. It'll get blown around, drifted, and the winds continue to crank. Tapers off a bit later in the day towards the evening. Still some snow tomorrow evening, but tapering off and probably coming to an end about 9, 10 p.m. Here's your gust, 45, 60 for the red. That's pretty much the entire area. Obviously, these 60 to 70 mile an hour gusts, eastern Plymouth County, Cape Cod, that's epic when you're talking about the snow rates. It could be 2 to 3 to 4 inches per hour plus that wind. That's a tough combination. In addition to the wind and snow, coastal flooding a concern for eastern Mass. Watching those power outages closely. Thankfully, it's a fluffy snow. Areas in the Cape, not so lucky, though. They're going to have a little heavier snow in terms of weight. And then cold temperatures and frigid wind chills. Anybody who has to work out in this tomorrow. Power outage crews. I was driving in today. The trucks, the convoys were here. And they got to go out and work in this if the power outages start mounting up. And the temperatures are going to be bone-chilling cold. That always gets forgotten during a blizzard. So snow temperatures, the temperature's cold, the snow itself lifting north. And as it does, everybody in southern New England gets involved tonight, continues tomorrow morning, and then really gets going after about 9, 10 o'clock. Snow rates are impressive. The visibilities are down. These lines here are isobars tightly packed together, showing that strong wind action out of the north-northeast. And then we go into Saturday night. Snow's gone, but the winds stick around. Still blows and drifts that snow around on Sunday morning, so not ideal conditions right in the morning on Sunday. Give it some time until the afternoon. Snowfall forecast, bang, 18 to 24, 12 to 18. You feel left out if you're 12 to 18? Don't, because it's going to be so fluffy and blowing around all over the place. It's going to be hard to measure this, but town by town, there's a lot of 16s and 17s to the west, 18s to 23 in the pink. That's the amount of snow with the storm. Yeah, it's impressive. Breezy, sunny, cold Sunday, and then moderating temperatures for the middle part of next week. Nick.
I'm Nick Hoyt at the Dunkin' Donuts Center. A big day for Providence College athletics as new athletic director